Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for today and for the whole week coming up as we say goodbye to August by the end of the week, and September starts, I guess, next Saturday. Here are the weather headlines. Take it easy this upcoming week because it's going to be really, really hot. Triple H stuff coming. A heat advisory likely will be issued by the National Weather Service at least for Tuesday and Wednesday and possibly Thursday too. It's going to be dry in terms of rain until we get scattered thunderstorms erupting here on Thursday afternoon. And looking way out ahead, this is just a preliminary outlook for the holiday weekend, but it looks like at this point there will be some showers the first part of the holiday weekend, and it may turn pretty hot again by the time we get to Labor Day. That's all remains to be seen, but certainly it's going to be hot through the week, that's for sure. And we're going to add on to our total of 90-degree days that we've had so far this season. We've had 16, probably going to get 3 more this week. There may be 4 if we end up getting more of a land breeze in Boston's Logan Airport tomorrow. Of course, 2016 was a big year, and this one is turning out to be a big year, and rather surprising to me. Anyway, in 2018 so far, we only had 1 heat wave in Boston. We are destined to get another one coming up this week. If it doesn't happen at Logan Airport because of a little sea breeze tomorrow, it's going to happen just about everywhere else except at some other coastal locations. Last year we had 3 heat waves, but they were all minimal 3-day heat waves. Last summer was certainly cooler than this summer has been, especially during the month of August. Well, anyway, it looks like the potential is there for some record-tying or record-breaking temperatures on Wednesday when this heat will be maxing out. I'm going for a record-tying 93 degrees in Worcester on a Wednesday, the record set back in 1953. In Boston, I'm going to take a shot and say we might have a record new one of 97 eclipsing the 96 set back in 1953. I think there'll be more of a land breeze to help that record to be achieved. Then we look at this heat situation on Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday in the afternoons, and it should be probably close to a feeling like 105 degrees, if not a little bit more in some locations, where the temperature gets up to the mid and upper 90s, and the dew points are in the lower 70s. It's going to be a very hot week, so that's why the heat advisory would be up for people to take it easy during these conditions. But today, it's a wonderful day. It's a fabulous, splendid Sunday with low humidity, low to middle 80s this afternoon, a little bit cooler at some beaches, especially south-facing coastal locations with more of a southerly breeze starting to pick up there this afternoon. The heat is already exploding northeastward from the Plain States over the last couple of days to the Midwest, to the Ohio Valley today, to the Northeast during tomorrow as that Triple H stuff takes over. Now, within that hot air mass, it looks like we're not going to have much of any thunderstorms, just a remote risk that we would have any. But if that's going to happen over the next few days, today there might be a couple late today roaming in from New York State to hit Vermont and perhaps the Berkshires. And then after that, next Tuesday and Wednesday, it looks like the thunderstorm threat is across the far northern mountains during the afternoons. Beach is going to be great today. We got a high tide at 12:12. Not going to be much beach there, but the tide will be going out during the afternoon. And we're looking at pretty nice water temperatures continuing, 66 to as high as 74 or so in some of the shallow bays. We've got the wind, which will be onshore in places along the coast. And then for the Sox this week, they're back in town for 2 games against the Marlins. Tuesday evening's game, first pitch 7:10, around 88 to 90. On Wednesday, it's a little bit earlier, scheduled for 6:35 first pitch. Very humid then, too, with some sunshine and a few clouds, around 90 to 91 degrees at first pitch, maybe 92 degrees as that game gets underway on Wednesday. It's going to be really hot at Fenway Park. It's going to be fine on Cape Cod for the next few days. That'll be the place to get a little bit of air conditioning, but not a huge amount. With the wind out of the west-southwest, it'll still be in the 80s there. The mountains may have pick up the chance of a shower or thunderstorm, especially tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday late in the day in a few scattered spots in the northern mountains. Lows tonight 66 to 70, so warmer than the last few nights have been. Highs tomorrow getting a little bit over 90 degrees, but right at the coast, there may be some sea breezes to keep it from getting to 90 degrees tomorrow. At least that's the way it looks right now. This hot weather is just destined to hang around for quite some time. No sign of any cool air plunging in from Canada, although by the end of the week we will get some cool air coming down at low levels, and that may set us up for some showers as we get into the holiday weekend coming up. With the cooler weather, it's likely to stay still on the humid side, although a little less humid than tomorrow through Wednesday will be. But in any event, look at that. Get some 90s. Going to be really hot. Not much in the way of thunderstorms until Thursday afternoon. That's it for now. Have a great day.